Hey, what's up, guys? Jason Lancaster here, guys, the Cash Flow Connector. I just want to welcome you to this little short and sweet little intro here. Guys, here in just about a minute, you're going to see another one of our students that's literally killing it. She's new, but she's came in already getting referrals. She's earning without recruiting also, and that's the most important thing, guys. We know if we can get you in, get you earning without recruiting, so you're not coming from a desperate mindset. We know that you can do this. We know you can kill it. We know, and it's been a game changer, life changing for me, life changing for our whole group. Um, and guys, to keep me from just keep it going on and on, I'd rather just send you over to the testimonial video and let you hear it yourself. Her name is Amy. She's from one state over in Georgia. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you on the other side, guys. Take care. What's going on, guys? It's Jason Lancaster here. I just want to welcome you guys. So, you guys have probably seen the prior past videos I've done on my channel. If you haven't, you can go take a look at them. Again, today I've got another treat for you. What I like to do, I like to sometimes do my own individual testimonies, and I'll show you what I make, try to bring you a lot of value. But tonight, I really want to talk about what we're doing, the program we're in, how we're making money without recruiting and sponsoring, how that's possible. I'm also got a special guest I'm going to bring in tonight. She's a new star coming to the affiliate marketing industry. She's been able to really do a lot in a short amount of time. I can't wait for you guys to hear her story. First of all, I'm going to go into mine again just to give you a little recap. I started in 2012, didn't take action, did just sit here and sit on the sidelines for a few years before I got in my first business. And guys, I'll be honest with you, I struggled, didn't know what I was in, didn't know what I was doing. I had no guidance until about the end of 2014. Might have been the first or end of 2014. So I had a sponsor come online, and he really intrigued me. He was one of the first to bring on a full training on solo advertising back then, and it was email marketing. And, so back then, solo advertising was very new. And if I had took the ground running, if I'd hit the ground running and really took action, I'd be a seven-figure earner and then some right now. But I didn't. It really took me to 2017 before I finally hit six figures, and I really developed some momentum. Sometimes it just people. I know plenty of people that come in, they'll have a ton of success in a year or two, and then there are people like me that are stubborn, do things lazy back then, and it took me years to finally learn what I needed to do, the work ethic I needed to have, and what it really takes in this industry to succeed. I want to talk also to you about the S-3 method. So the S-3 method was created by Amanda Ray, who's a good friend of mine. She's been really important to me and my success. And also, guys, this no recruiting, no sponsoring that she's developed is just life-changing, okay? First of all, I'm making about $75 a day right now, and it really just depends on the week. And I'm not even talking about the affiliate side. Also, guys, we have a private mastermind. We run it's a 90-day private mastermind that we run. We call it a 90-day blitz. And the good thing about that is, guys, we only do that. You got to have a little bit of experience. But if you guys that are brand new, if you can hit the ground running, go through the requirements we require, you'll be able to come in on the next one and join with us and kind of see what we do. Because the 90-day blitz is not just for basic stuff. Okay, we go into high-tech stuff. So we really want you to have a little bit of computer knowledge as we go along. We also remove people if they're not keeping up and not holding their end. I just want people to really know that, it's really serious. It's really a serious 90-day blitz. We don't really play around. And but if you come in and take it serious, it can be life-changing. When I bring up my special guest tonight, I'm going to let her talk about it, kind of ask her some questions to let you be able to see, like a Q&A, kind of see how we do things, her success, how she feels about the mastermind, and kind of her story also on it. So you've heard me talk about it, how much I make, what I'm doing in this program. I'm also getting weekly sales in in the S-3 method itself and the weekly and the affiliate commissions. And so I really want to press on you guys that you can make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 just without recruiting or sponsoring anybody. Okay. But what if you could come in, make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 with this, get in our 90-day blitz, start referring people, and turn that into $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. And we're talking months. We're not talking a year, 2 years down. That's not the way this 90 blitz is set up. That's why we take it so serious. That's why we're passionate about it. And we're all hard in it. So when we bring you in, you have to know that your time is not going to be wasted. We realize that a lot of you guys got families. So we realize it's going to be somewhat of a sacrifice for a lot of you. So that's why we really bring a lot to the table. And, you know, Amanda's done a great job behind the scenes. Right now she's getting stuff together, presentations. She's all the time working nonstop. So we really want to thank her on this video also for what she's done. She's helped change my life too. And it's helping me getting to levels I never thought possible across the board. So I want to take this time though right now to welcome Amy Ellis. Amy, I want to welcome you. So for those that don't know, Amy has literally came in and is not only making big money on the no recruiting, no sponsoring part, she's getting weekly commissions. And I want her to talk about how she came about the S-3 method, her story. And Amy, if you want to, you can kind of give them a little background, and then I'll do a little Q&A with you, and you can we'll go from there.
Okay, thank you so much for having me, Jason, and thank you, Amanda, as well. Well, I have a little bit of background of working online. I started a store about 2 years ago, so I have some experience with selling. The store was a struggle. It was a struggle trying to do selling. It was a lot of money invested. And honestly, I wasn't seeing the results that I wanted to in the amount of time I was looking. I was looking to have a certain amount of results within 3 or 6 months or so. And honestly, I wasn't seeing that. So I've been looking at doing research of different programs and things like that online for some years now. I've tried some other things where I've joined something and I kind of was just thrown out there to the wolves, no guidance, no direction. And I just felt lost. I didn't know what to do, But when I joined the S-3 method, maybe it hasn't even been 2 months, I don't think. But when I joined, I got tons of information to succeed, and that's one of the things I really appreciated. I wasn't just thrown out there. I was given information to help me succeed in this business. Not having to do any recruiting, no sponsoring, and making money on a daily basis has been excellent. It's been excellent. I think I've been making anywhere on the low end of like $50 to even on the high end of $120 as well. Yes, I remember when I got that. I was so excited that day.
Hang on a second. Amy, you're getting these $100 commissions also?
Yes.
Wow. So how many
yes.
you already came in? Because I know you just come in recently. How many did you bring in already?
I brought in 2 people already.
Wow. Guys, this is someone.
Yes.
Is this the first recruiting business that you've ever done on the affiliate side?
This is the first, yes, that I've ever done.
Hey, I just want to appreciate her, guys, because what I really want you guys to take away, we just started the affiliate part. We just started our 90-day blitz. When did we start this? I believe it was Monday, right?
Right. Yeah.
Right. And what's the day? What's the day, Amy?
Today is April the 7th, I think.
And what's today? Friday? No, it's Saturday.
Saturday.
So we've only been in 6 days, and Amy already brought in 2 people. How much total in commissions was that for you for the past week?
That's $98.50 for each commission.
Wow, it's almost $200.
Yeah.
So in total, let's go over that for a second. So in total, see, 200 plus your other money, your daily money.
Yes.
Wow, you're probably had a $500 week already.
Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
this is
Yes, I
this is the stuff I'm talking about. Like when I tell you groundbreaking, I should say life changing.
am.
That's kind of a common thing you hear a lot. That's why I say groundbreaking, because nobody's doing what we're doing. Nobody across the industry. It's really a
Yes.
first. Used to hear about 90-day blitzes, but our 90-day blitz, I used to hear a lot of marketers talk about 90-day either blitzes or whatever they'd say, but we go in depth. It's high tech.
Mhm.
So Amy, if you can, um, how would you say your experience so far in the mastermind of what we're teaching and going over? And also, if you can let them know kind of how often we do our hangouts, stuff like that.
It's been excellent. The meetings for the mastermind, we've been doing those on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. And it requires definitely consistency and dedication. You have to be there every night. But it's been excellent, excellent information. They give you so much information to succeed. Stuff again that I didn't have, years ago, and I went for years, signing up with other people, and they would just kind of throw me out there. They never gave me the information that I needed to succeed, and I'm getting that through here. The 50, to 120 I've been making daily, that's just the beginning. It's going to grow more and more. I'm making that without even implementing all of the information that I've gotten yet through the mastermind.
Wow.
Been in this for less than 2 months. So
Right. So
imagine, yeah, where it's going to be at in like 3 months from now. It's going to be great.
exactly. That's the thing, Amy, is that, you guys hear me kind of hint in our hangouts, because me and Amanda have been working together kind of in private, and before we even got going and got started, and the new information that's coming, it's coming to you guys, and it's not even in the industry. So a lot of this stuff that you're going to be learning, when I say it's life changing, like we should be charging thousands. And, that's why on our future masterminds, we probably are going to be charging something because the requirement right now financially is we have you come in, you join the company. We do require you to have a third-party marketing system, which you need anyway. So, I think going forward, after this one, we're going to have to charge, because the results we're seeing, and then as we go along, once we get into the Facebook stuff, the YouTube ads, and as we go further into it, it's going to be, I think just about everybody should be hitting big numbers each week. When I did the training yesterday, I was showing you guys how to very conservative numbers get 4 people a week, but you guys really, once we get through everything, you guys will see how bringing in 10 people a week is very, very doable. You guys will really see. And Amy, I want to thank you for coming out tonight. It was awesome
Thank
having you
you.
coming to my channel, sharing your testimony, and really letting everybody know. So guys, if you want to join the S3 method, reach out to Amy, go to her YouTube channel. She'll have her link down below. If you want to join me, you'll get it on my YouTube channel. You just join my link below. And guys, we're going to wrap this up. And again, like I said, so we've got the S3 method, and you can earn without recruiting and sponsoring. We also have a private mastermind that you can be a part of once you come on in. And guys, starting Monday, we've got an additional program coming in that you can also earn without recruiting and sponsoring. Oh yeah, I think. See, Amy doesn't even know all about that yet. So we've got a lot of stuff for bringing, stuff we've planned. And guys, it truly is life changing. A lot of stuff I've never even been able to talk about to anybody. So I can't, I'm going to wrap this up. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you, Amy. You guys have a good rest of your night.